Welcome to the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 is powered by a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the AT4 Sierra: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, push button 4x4 in driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, full digital speedometer system there as well. The vehicle does have push button ignition, a nice large 13-inch touchscreen, Apple Carplay and Android Auto both available, but it does use the Google operating system. Dual zone climate with heated and ventilated seating, your automatic shifter knob with driving modes, integrated trailer braking system, all black interior with the Bose audio, as well as our black leather heated ventilated seating with the Kalahari inserts, and AT4 in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Sierra AT4, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful alloy wheel with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tire, color match door handles with keyless entry, Sierra tough board running boards there, AT4 badging, Duramax turbo diesel. The Sierra does have the 2-inch lift up front, making room for the big wheel and tire packages. Coming to the front of the AT4 here, black chrome grille, red recovery hooks, color matched front bumper with parking sensors, LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. Making our way back down the side, crew cab truck with rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped for the Duramax turbo diesel engine. At the back, we have a color matched rear bumper, dual chrome exhaust tips, rear parking sensors, LED brake lights, MultiPro tailgate, and we have a tri-fold hardtop bed cover installed here at the dealership. Jumping into the interior, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. In-seat storage feature, a sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with LED lighting, heated seat controls and USB ports, and rubberized floor liners installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 Duramax. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.